Right, now here's an interesting problem. We know quite a lot about the water molecule. The water molecule is a hydrogen bonded to an oxygen bonded to hydrogen, and we know that the angle is about 105 degrees and that the bond lengths are about 1 angstrom each. But here's something that we don't know, is what is the distance between the two hydrogen atoms in a water molecule? Well, this is a problem we can solve by modeling. So I've defined the problem. The problem is I want to know what that distance is between the two hydrogen atoms. Right, so now that I have a problem, I need to construct a model. And it's quite straightforward to construct a model. All we need is some bonds. And here I've got two bonds. And if I just check my bonds, they are about 5 centimeters apiece. And so we have, in our model, we have this relationship that 5 centimeters corresponds to 1 angstrom in the model. Now we just need to then construct the water molecule. And so what I'm going to do is place the oxygen at the center, the two bonds, add some hydrogens to it, and then we've got to make sure that although the bond angles are the bond lengths are correct, we've got to make sure that the bond angle is correct. So here I have a water molecule, and if I can find a protractor, we can then confirm that we have a correct bond angle. So here we go, and bond angle now is set to 105, and so we have constructed our model. Okay, so we've defined the problem, we've constructed the model. Now we need to do the calculation, and the calculation is quite straightforward. We take the ruler and we notice that the atoms are about maybe 8.5 centimeters apart. The hydrogen atoms are 8.5 centimeters apart. So we've got 8.5 centimeters. And that we need to convert to angstroms. Remember that 5 centimeters corresponds to 1 angstrom. And so when I do the calculation, it's going to be simply 8.5 divided by 8, or times by 1/5. And I get 1.7 angstroms. So that distance is 1.7 angstroms. Okay, and so then finally we can analyze results. We've defined the problem, constructed the model, done the calculation. We can analyze the results, and I think there's not much to analyze in that, but that essentially encompasses all the steps of molecular modeling.